114 scale, 144010, brushless RC buggy, and this is its stock battery, which is 1500 mAh to a slider battery, and we are going to see the top speed of the car with its stock battery. It also capable to handle 3S type, but today we don't have enough long track to make that speed test. I'm going to make it later, but today we are going to see what you get in the box and what is the top speed you get from the box. Let's begin. Let's set to 0. A second. Yes. Let's see what is the top speed with the stock battery. So the top speed with the stock battery is 62 kilometers per hour. With a 2S type of battery, for this tiny car, this is insane. The cheapest, fastest RC car you can buy today. So you can find the link in the description. As always, thank you for watching. Have a good day.